How to use Google Lens on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the app Chrome. For that, launch your App Store, search for the app Chrome. Once app appears, download it, then you can launch it. At the top, you'll see a search bar. To the right of the search bar, tap the camera icon. That's Google Lens. The first time you use it, allow camera access. Your camera will open up. Now you can point your iPhone at any object. Tap the shutter button. Google Lens will instantly search and tell you what it is. Bottle, remote, flower. It finds it all. Likewise, tap the gallery icon, bottom left. Choose any photo from your camera roll. Tap and drag your finger to highlight the exact area you want Google Lens to analyze. You can zoom in or narrow the selection to focus on specific parts. Once you do that, you can search for it. Also, you can add a specific question, product name, shopping link, species of plants, landmarks, text translation, and more. And that's how easy it is to use Google Lens on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.